Sarah. My world changed for the better when you came into it. You're beautiful inside and out. Your faith is so admirable. You're the kindest, most thoughtful person ever. You love me when I have nothing to offer. And I think that's a picture of God's love for us. And so I'm so grateful for that. Let's get married. Cheers.
Two longtime Dallas families, the Halls and the Davises. And then you throw in the salt of the earth, West Texas, with our friends the Hickeys from Midland. And then you throw in a little Cajun spice from Lafayette, Louisiana. And here we are, and this is awesome, and we're so thankful. We're so thankful.
You know, it's fun and a blessing to have a little brother that you look up to. It's just been a huge blessing to be your brother, to learn from you, to watch you grow.
Pete would play the piano and Sarah would sing like an angel. They studied the Bible together. I mean, me and my wife do stuff together, but we just watch Netflix. So we couldn't be happier to take you into our family, Sarah. And we couldn't be happier adding the Halls. So cheers to an amazing weekend.
To know Sarah personally is a gift. To be in Sarah's inner circle is a rare gift. Pete noticed something good when he saw it.
Y'all care so deeply about each other. Y'all are so good at helping the other flourish. And I know that you're going to continue to do that. And it's such a privilege that we get to watch y'all.
Pete, you're getting a special person. I love her. She's a gift from God. I love you. You're a gift from God. And I love the two of you together. God bless you. You look beautiful.
I love you.
I love you.
What a beautiful and glorious moment this is for you, Pete, and you, Sarah, and your dearest friends and your family. We come this evening to witness and celebrate your love and joy in the covenant of marriage. Can you imagine what this relationship might look like 50 years from now if you let this divine love have its way with you? Let that vision infect and become contagious to every part of your marriage between now and then. And think about it often. Look forwards and then work backwards. I now pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Pete, you may kiss your bride. It is my privilege to present to you, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Peter Moran Davis.
Mr. and Mrs. Pete Davis.